Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Cookmas, where every day in December I'm sharing a new recipe. Today's recipe is for Nighty Night cookies, which were my all-time favorite cookies as a child. You're going to take 2 egg whites and whisk them on a pretty high speed for several minutes until they look like this. And they're forming stiff peaks. Then I'm going to add in 2/3 cup of sugar. And I did mix that for a few minutes as well. And I turned it up higher than this once I got in all the sugar. But you'll know it's ready again when it'll form a stiff peak. Kind of has a little bit of a glossy look to it. I was telling one of my friends about this cookie recipe and she's like, "Oh, you mean meringue cookies?" I'm like, yeah, I guess technically there are meringue cookies. We just never called them that as a child. So once you're done with that, you take half a bag of chocolate chips and half a cup of chopped pecans and you fold that into the mixture. And that's all there is. It's a very simple cookie recipe, but they're unique and super good. So this entire time I've been prepping the cookies, I've been preheating the oven to 350. You take 1 cookie sheet, line it with aluminum foil, and then you drop little spoonfuls of the mixture. I always make mine kind of big. I guess technically they should be a little bit smaller, but it all cooks the same. But they all fit on 1 cookie sheet, so it's kind of nice just to throw it in the oven and be done with it. So once I have everything on the cookie sheet, it will look like this. And here comes the fun part. Since the oven is hot and it's been preheated this entire time, you turn it off and you put the cookies in there and you shut the door and you don't touch them until the morning. You turn off the oven light and everything. And then the next morning when you come to get them, they are all done. You just gotta gently peel them off the aluminum foil. And they're really good cookies. They have like I won't say a hard outside, but it's definitely solid. And then the inside is really airy and chewy. They're so good, but you can't really break them in half because they'll just like shatter. So if you make them smaller, they're better, like bite-sized pieces. But these are super good. Like I said, it's a family recipe I've been making for probably like 30 years now. So if you guys give it a try, leave me a comment below and let me know what you thought of it. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.